It's your boy Luca Dossetti, and today I'm going to let y'all know 3 simple ways that I save money. But first, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 1,000. Thank you everybody who already liked and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell an uncle, tell an aunt, tell a niece, tell a nephew, anybody that's old enough to get a YouTube channel. Tell them, and if they like money, tell them come to the channel. Way number 1 is going to upset a lot of people, and it would upset me too if I watch this. Stop eating out as much. I save thousands of dollars a year by not going out to eat. That's one thing that I love to do, but if you really want to save money, you kind of got to cut it out. If you're at work, package up a lunch. If you're out, just wait till you get home. I mean, you got to make it simple and make it better for yourself. If you really want to save, if you're really dedicated, then this would be the first major change I would say to make to your life. I've done this on certain occasions and saved $50 a week. So, I mean, comment below and let me know how much you can save. If you can do it for a week or 2 weeks or a month or a year, let me know. Way number 2 is called a duration account. A duration account, I know it might sound like a big word. It's not that big. I thought it was big when I first heard it until I found out what it was. I was like, oh, that's just money coming from anyway. So it's money that's coming from your check and going to a special savings account. So it gets separated before you even touch the money. So let's say you're getting paid $1,000 for your check. But every week you have it set up the way as though you get $100 taken out of your check. So before you get a chance to touch that $1,000, $100 is already going to savings. So you have $900. And that's just a way, because a lot of times if you don't see it and you don't know that you have it, then you won't worry about it. You'll stop counting it as a $1,000 check and start counting it as a $900 check. And that makes it a lot easier, way more easier than that last one, you know, eating out, getting pizza, crab cakes, that's my favorite, crabs, all that type of good stuff. And way number 3, save your change. I know a lot of people that throw away their change, they don't care about their change. Me, I save my change. Every time I spend a dollar bill, I don't go on my counter and grab the change and try to spend the change. I just get another dollar bill and spend that. That way I know exactly how much I'm saving. See, a lot of the younger people, they don't even know what these are, a roll of quarters, because they're using digital money. And there's new apps like Acorn that you can use your digital change and invest in different investments like Walmart and Amazon and things of that nature. But for us older people who like to save money, hard cash, this is one of the best options. I used these since I was a kid. I had fun rolling them up and all that type of good stuff for real. But don't throw away your change, because every 100 pennies, every 10 dimes, every 20 nickels, and every, I forget how many quarters, don't judge me, is $1. Oh, 4 quarters is $1. Yeah, get it right, because I'm the math genius. And on that note, I'm gone.